Struggling to maintain data consistency in your microservices architecture? In this video, we dive deep into the SAGA Design Pattern, a powerful solution for managing distributed transactions without compromising scalability. SAGA Microservice Design Pattern. The SAGA pattern is a design pattern used to manage distributed transactions across multiple microservices. It ensures data consistency and integrity without the need for a distributed transaction manager, which can be complex and difficult to scale. Key concepts: distributed transactions. In microservices, a transaction can span multiple services. Each service manages its own database, making it challenging to maintain consistency. SAGA. A SAGA is a sequence of transactions that updates each service and publishes events. If one transaction fails, the SAGA executes compensating transactions to undo the preceding changes. Types of SAGA patterns. Choreography. Event-based coordination. Services listen for events and react accordingly. No central controller. Easier to implement but can lead to complex event chains. Orchestration. Centralized control. An orchestrator service manages the sequence of transactions. Simpler to understand but can become a bottleneck if not managed properly. Example scenario. Consider an e-commerce order. Services: order, inventory, payment. Orchestration flow. Order service create order. Pending. Orchestrator check inventory. Inventory service. Orchestrator reserve inventory. Orchestrator process payment. Payment service. Orchestrator confirm order. Order service. If any step fails, compensating actions. Release inventory. Cancel payment. Mark order as canceled. Advantages: ensures data consistency across services. Increases fault tolerance by defining compensatory actions. Avoids distributed locking, enhancing performance and scalability. Challenges: implementing compensation logic can be complex. Eventual consistency may cause temporary inconsistencies. Choreography can become complex with multiple services involved. Interview questions and answers. What is the SAGA pattern? Answer: SAGA is a design pattern for managing distributed transactions in microservices by breaking them into smaller, isolated transactions with compensating actions to maintain data consistency. What are the types of SAGA patterns? Answer: choreography. Event-driven coordination without a central controller. Orchestration. Centralized control managed by an orchestrator service. When would you use choreography over orchestration? Answer: choreography is preferred when there are fewer services involved or when the event flow is simple. It avoids a single point of failure orchestrator bottleneck and promotes loose coupling. How do you handle failures in SAGA? Answer: by defining compensating transactions that undo the partial work completed by the previous steps, ensuring eventual consistency. What are the challenges of using the SAGA pattern? Answer: complex compensation logic, potential event storms in choreography, managing eventual consistency, and debugging complex event flows. Can SAGA pattern ensure ACID properties? Answer: no. It ensures eventual consistency rather than strict ACID compliance, as transactions are managed independently across microservices. How do you implement SAGA in Spring Boot? Answer: using libraries like Spring Cloud Dataflow, Axon Framework, or Eventuate Tram for orchestration, or by leveraging Kafka or RabbitMQ for event-driven choreography. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and hit the notification bell for updates. Got questions or need help? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with your network.